Maximize your earnings with these top trending strategies about the secret real estate niche. The latest and greatest ways to make money. Stay ahead of the curve. A secret real estate niche.
My question to you, Andy, is based on what you hear and see, what would be the next step? I want to get into a bigger property or at least more so that we can double my active income, and our passive income is one to one right now.
Yeah.
So I want to double that so that my active income is half of the rent, and at that point in time, things will change.
Unlock your earning potential. The latest innovations in real estate.
Let me go back. So the $7,000 house that you bought, how many beds was that one?
Well, that one on paper's got 4, but in the basement there's another room that could be basically 4.
Wonderful.
And it's got 2 baths. That one I'm still in the works because obviously acquisition was kind of fast, and I put more energy into the one that had tenants because the gentleman that owned it looks like he didn't do anything for the last 10 plus years. So I just clean up the walls, some patches, plumbing, and painted, and now it looks a lot like the others. I painted the same colors, so I use the same colors and all.
Awesome. And I don't know, Brandon, do we go over that in the gold course? Because we make sure that all of our properties are uniform just because it's easy. We run them all as, bare white semi-gloss, and we have the exact same hacienda ceramic tile on the ground on each one, because it lowers your overall cost, and it just makes it a lot easier because when a tenant moves out or whatever it is, boom, you tell your maintenance guys, or you can do it yourself as well, to go over and, you just slap a little paint on it and it's ready to go.
We do have we have some material on YouTube now, like a walkthrough, and we do have another video in progress of like a construction walkthrough. So that will be added very soon.
Yeah, I learned that because I bought my first house when I was 18. But I like this, I like the system, because before it was thinking about, am I going to make 200, 300, 400? Now it's like, how much more am I making? So it's a lot better, and it's just opening opportunity, guys, that you just don't know how has changed my life, and also my wife, my son, my mom. My mom is a widow. My father died a few years ago, so my brothers and I support her financially because she was the homemaker. This is changing our life. This is changing our money tree, and now I'm looking. Okay, so my question to you on this, based on what you hear and see, what would be the next step? I want to get into a bigger property or at least more so that we can double that amount, because at this point I'm like one-on-one. My active income and our passive income is one to one right now.
Yeah.
So I want to double that so that my active income is half of the rent, and at that point in time things will change.
Absolutely. What I would do, because I was in the exact same scenario, I had a job beforehand. Right now, Jose, when you find a system that works, you just gotta keep riding that horse. If you have a horse that's a winner, you gotta keep riding that horse. There may be bigger horses, there may be faster horses.
Unlock your earning potential. The latest innovations in real estate. Sign up for your free training material at www.grewhomeriches.com.
But if you've got a horse that is winning, you got to keep riding it.
Keep on going.
Yeah. So look, this is a systematic cookie cutter business. Each property, especially in Ohio, because your cost basis is so low. So your mortgage payments, with taxes and insurance, just for sake of argument, shouldn't be more than about $300 a month. You can kind of start backing into exactly how much money you can make on a per property basis. Now, are there other things that could potentially be more lucrative? Maybe, but you know what? You've already got 3 homes. We got to get all of them occupied. We got to get, once they're all occupied, make sure your systems, are nice and tight in place, your website's there, your marketing system's there, and then go out and get another house, fill it up. It's a systematic process. So you can start looking at this and say, hey, and set goals for yourself. In a year, 12 months, 18 months, 24 months, I want to have 10 group homes. Yeah, and if just by backing into the numbers that each group home makes you $2,000 a month, I mean, if you were in Los Angeles, okay, $20,000 a month is a good amount. But like, if you're in Ohio making 20 grand a month, let's be honest. I mean, you don't need to work anymore. I mean, that's plenty of money.
Want to learn more about the future real estate? Sign up for your free training material at www.grouphomeriches.com.